Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about some tips on how to lock your hair faster. Now this is not like a miracle worker. You ain't gonna wake up the next day with locks, but this will definitely help you to get on the right path. These are my own personal tips, so if you follow my journey and it is similar to yours or my hair texture is similar to yours, then you're definitely watching my cat man the right videos. I also will have a surprise for you guys at the end of this video. I am going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end, but let's get right into it. So we're going to jump right into the video, but first let me start by welcoming anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and you guys really love my lock videos, so I try to make those as much as possible, but I also love beauty and a little bit of fashion, so if you're into anything like that, make sure you subscribe. I'm coming straight off the dome freestyling this because my book is somewhere over there and I don't feel like going to get it. All right, so let's just talk about what locks are and how you get them to do what they do in the first place. So when you decide to lock your hair, you are deciding to basically leave your hair alone until it mats up, tangles up. You're basically going on a journey to just really not manipulating your hair very much. You're kind of letting an old style like a twist or a comb coil or a braid just get old and matted and tangled. So that's basically what locks are. Now there is free-forming locks where you just leave it alone, let the parts do what they do, which are so beautiful, and I love when I see people with freeform locks because the self-esteem that you gotta have to rock freeform hair is just, is live, okay? And then there's like, you know, neater locks, and then there's semi-freeform, but all of them, what they all have in common is that the hair needs to mat and tangle in order for the locking process to start, okay? The first thing that I want to share with you about how to lock your hair faster is water. I feel like I talk so much about water throughout my journey. Water for me is like everything. When I started with the two-strand twist, you know, I was looking at all these videos that were telling me that you just shouldn't wash your hair for a month or maybe two. I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna be able to do a lock journey if I can't wash my hair. Like, okay. So I have a video where I did my first wash on camera, and that was probably about 2 weeks into my starter locks, and I was scared because not a lot of people was promoting that, but at the same time I was like, you know what, trial and error, that's just what I'm all about. So I decided to wash my hair, and that literally was the best thing or the best decision that I made in my lock journey. So if you get in the shower, wash your hair and leave it alone like you're supposed to, the water is going to help your hair to shrivel, tangle, and kind of dry your hair out, because you're not necessarily moisturizing your hair the way you would if you was a loose natural or detangling. So it's going to dry it a little bit. And what happens when kinky curly girls don't moisturize their hair? Oh, it's like this. Washing my hair was actually the best thing that I could have done in my journey, and I'm so glad that I recorded that for a lot of people out there who has been put under that impression that not washing your hair is the best way to go when you're locking, but that's not true. So make sure you wash your hair. Also, to help the process, you can put water in a spray bottle, because let's say you wash your hair and you're waiting 2 weeks in between a wash, or maybe a month to wash. You decide, that's your choice. You can still have like a water bottle with water in it, so that in between your washes you can spray your hair down, and it's going to work with you and work with the whole process of locking your hair. So water washing is your best friend. Watch that video where I washed my hair 2 weeks in, and you will see my hair was fine. So the next thing that I want to move on to is conditioner. I know a lot of people who use conditioner and they love it and they stand by it, and I have nothing to say about that because I did try it, but it wasn't something that I felt like I needed to do or needed to continue to do, because a lot of conditioners soothe the hair, soften, or detangle the hair. Now if it doesn't do any of that, then hey, have at it, do what you do, baby. But if it does have the benefits on the bottle that say detangle or slick or something like that, that makes your hair like really, you know, soft and like, I don't know, you know, those properties that basically make your hair detangle, you don't want to use that conditioner because it's actually going against the locking process. Locking is detangling, matting. Then there's conditioner that detangles and softens, soothes, and all that kind of stuff. So what that's going to do is make it harder for those tangles to happen in your hair and that matting to happen. So I ain't gonna say this again, I choose not to use it. I'm not gonna tell you not to do it, but it's not something that I prefer. Okay, well, I haven't found one that I prefer, let's just say it like that, because y'all know I like to try stuff, and that's not going to change about me. But don't use those ones that have those properties. Okay. So the next thing you probably hear all the time, but you need to keep your hair wrapped up when you're asleep so that it won't cause friction. Keep making sure that you're keeping your hair wrapped up when you are sleeping or doing things that could possibly unravel your twist or your starter locks. So make sure you're wrapping your hair up. It will help you in the long run, because lint is a mother. Okay, so now on to the part that I'm most excited about and excited to tell you guys about. So you guys are so supportive, let me first say that. I'm not the most consistent with making videos. You guys know I have a bunch of kids, and you guys are so understanding with me, but you also like are here for me when I upload a video, and I'm so appreciative of that. So I wanted to do a giveaway. So I am going to give out the Lion Locks Locking Moisturizer, because that video did so well and you guys really loved it. So I thought that you guys would enjoy this. Lion Locks was so nice to send me this when I did the video the last time. They're really a good company from what I've seen, and I wanted to go ahead and give this to you. I want to give some of my lock jewelry away to anyone who was interested as well. This is a style that I am going to add to the website. Oh, I didn't show you. So it does come in this little bottle so that you can keep your lock jewelry together and make sure it's not getting all dirty and out of shape. So I have the green one. Ooh, wait, hold it. I have the green one and I have the purple one. This is an aventurine stone, and this is the amethyst stone. Now I always say that my jewelry is lock jewelry with meaning, which I know a lot of lock jewelry have meaning because they have natural stones on them, but also I was thinking about the color because of color psychology. And color psychology is basically when you see a color, what kind of mood it puts you on. It happens all around us. That's what businesses use, like certain colors and stuff, to give you certain vibes and feelings. So that's what this lock jewelry is all about. I will leave the properties and stuff right here on the screen for you. I do have little tutorials on Instagram on how to put them on, how to take them off without really messing up the spiral shape. But if it does get messed up, I also show you how to restore it. So make sure you check out my Instagram for that. All right, so the guidelines for the giveaway, you guys, I didn't know what to do, but the guidelines are going to be to follow Lion Locks on Instagram, follow their page. I'll have everything down in the description box. Follow me, of course, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, follow Lion Locks on Instagram, and once you're done following and subscribing, make sure you come back here and comment done, and also leave me a comment. I don't care what the comment is. Maybe you like my hair today, my lipstick, maybe you've been following me for a long time, maybe you have some ideas on upcoming videos, maybe there's certain products you want me to try. Let me know. Click done and then add your comment so that I'll know that you are entering this giveaway. Now this giveaway will end a week from now, so I want to make sure enough people get in there and are able to enter the giveaway. You know I love and appreciate you guys so much, but before you go, make sure you subscribe, make sure you're clicking the notification bell so you're updated whenever I upload a video that you will enjoy watching. And if you like giveaways, go on and say it in the comments too. When you click done, put more giveaways, because I will definitely do some more for you guys. As usual, God bless you. Bye guys.